Hey y'all, welcome back to NPTressTreats TV. Alicia here talking to you today about two my best hair kits, the camo and the chocolate because it's super lit. So here's the camo. The camo is reversible like the majority of the bonnets at NPTressTreats.com. If the bonnet is not reversible, it will say something like satin lined bonnet or something to that effect. So it is reversible and it has like a camo print. It's like camo with black, brown, green with the chocolates on the inside. And like I said, it is reversible. This size is medium. The chocolate and the camo My Best Hair Kit comes in child, medium, standard, and BAB, which is the extra large size. This is the chocolate bonnet. It is reversible. It is double lined. They're both double lined, and they both include a chocolate scarf. Isn't this pretty? I don't know. I just love this color. Like I'm really feeling the color. And comes with the camo scrunchie if you buy the camo one, or a chocolate scrunchie if you buy the chocolate one. The scrunchies are medium size. So again, that is the camo and the chocolate My Best Hair Kit. I love My Best Hair Kits. I created them with you in mind, right? So you can switch from bonnet to scarf, scarf to bonnet, bonnet plus scarf, cover your pillowcase with your scarf, wear your scarf on your hair if you're having like not the best hair day, but you want to have the best hair day. Wear your scarf as a shirt. Like the options are endless. So that is the My Best Hair Kit, chocolate and camo, available now at NPTressTreats.com. The camo is limited. I will not be restocking the camo print once it is gone. I will be restocking the chocolate because it's chocolate. So that's it. Love ya. Bye.